Hi, I'm Alec Rudd, and I'm going to be showing you the Engineering Ambassadors iRobot Create. It's a robot I made for RPI's Engineering Ambassadors program to bring to high schools and middle schools to show students about robotics. So let me first turn it on, hit the button here, and give you a quick tour. You can see there's an iRobot Create chassis with the Raspberry Pi. There's a webcam and a USB terminal on top. Everything is controlled over a socket on a wireless network. The Raspberry Pi is running a Python script. I'm controlling it with the C# GUI I wrote, which I'll pull up right now. Everything is run off the battery, and I get about hour and a half battery life on that. So let me just show you the the application really quickly. So there's some network settings. This is the IP of the Raspberry Pi and the port that I'm communicating on. This is the camera address where I pull a camera stream from, and I can choose to use a local camera for debugging the autonomous mode. Alright, so the Create is all booted up, so let me hit connect, connected, and start streaming. So I'm controlling this with a little gamepad here. The left joystick drives it. The right one does the turret. So I'll drive around a little bit so you can get a feel for what it can do. Another cool feature that I have here is if I run into something, you can see that the screen goes red. So I'm pulling in data from all the sensors, all the bump sensors. I'm not using the data all that much, really just the bump sensors and the battery information. You can see I have a charge fault with the battery information, and the charge is wrong. That happens sometimes when I just pulled off with the charger. So I'm working on fixing that little bug. I also have a crosshair I can pull up. That's not entirely centered on the screen, but it should be pretty accurate to where the nerf thing is going to go. Alright, so I'm going to show you some other features of the program I wrote. I'm going to go into the network settings and turn on the local camera. I can show the image processing I've been doing. So you see I have a blue ball here, so I click on it, I can start tracking it. It just grabs the RGB color of the area that I clicked on. You can see it has the values below down here, and I can adjust those and change them around. It starts looking for a different color. Just click that again to get the color. I can adjust the color tolerance so it'll grab a bigger range of colors and be less discriminate towards what it's looking for. And I can also change the area that's looking for. So I want to only look at things that are so many pixels big. I can do that as well. Off to the right over here, you can see these numbers moving around. This is the XY coordinates and the area of the largest blob on the screen, which just happens to be this one. So my future plan with this is to have the robot doing this in real time, so I can actually track balls and autonomously follow balls. I need to work on getting it a little bit faster, I think, and a little bit more robust. As you can see, once I change lighting sources, it can no longer pick up the ball, and that's because I'm using RGB filtering. So I really need to find a faster way to use some HSL filters in order to capture the image. But that's it. Thank you.